Hi friends, once again welcome back to Prajala Tech. This video is about Delhi government job portal. So Delhi government has launched a job portal for private jobs, and it is not exclusive only for Delhi people. I mean, you don't need to have any domicile certificate or so, as in case of Maharashtra jobs we had to apply with the domicile certificate. So here there is no restriction like that. Anyone can log into using your mobile number and OTP and just search for jobs and start contacting the job provider. I will just take you quickly how this can be done. This is the URL you have to note down. I could not find it in Google search, so I am just directly showing you the URL jobs.delhi.gov.in. Please remember this URL, jobs.delhi.gov.in. So when you enter the URL, you come down, you have two options. In this I am selecting I want a job option. Okay, and next screen you are supposed to enter your mobile number here. Just enter your mobile number, click on the next button. Within seconds you get some OTP as shown here. You can see here I am getting an OTP. This is the OTP I received. Just note down the OTP or copy the OTP, come back to the portal and paste it there. Okay, and click on the verify button here. So you can see here, you click on the verify button. I am going to next screen where I am supposed to select the type of job. Don't worry about this, you can even change it later. This is just a search where you can specify the category of job you are looking for. Example, agriculture or farming, or maybe caretaker, domestic help, maid. So a lot of categories are there. You can select even single category, or even you can select multiple categories. You can see here I just selected cook and the next button got enabled below the screen, and I am just selecting to show you multiple options. I selected 4 or 5 or 6 category here. You can even select single category and move forward, and I still say you please remember friends, you can change this later. You can search different category later, so don't mind much about this screen. Once after selecting your options, you can click on the next button. Okay, I just select 5-6 options and click on next button here, and it will take you to another page where you have to fill some minimum details. For example, which is your nearest district. I just select as North Delhi, or even okay, let me select Noida. Anything can be selected, your nearest city. And can you speak English is the question below, and you can select yes or no accordingly. And after that there is still more something has to be filled here. Just scroll up. Actually you cannot submit it before filling the other details. You can see here, just scroll up in the page. I am doing it in from a mobile, so if it is PC you would have seen everything together. So you can see here we are going to fill our profile. This is one time task, but there is no much things to fill. You have to give your full name here and your gender here, and then you have to fill highest qualification and work experience and your region, and whether you know English or not, which we have done already. So just fill these details. I have given my full name and selecting the gender and highest qualification. You can select accordingly, and after that if you have experience in work previously, select yes. Select your region, Delhi or outside. So that's what I was telling, even outside you can select, there is no issue in that. Click on submit button once you have selected all these options accordingly, and see already you are in the job portal. 118 jobs are there because we had selected many categories in the beginning, and these two are the filters while searching for the jobs. You have only filters. It's very easy web portal. You have to just select your district, and then you have to just select your job category. For example, so that means you are searching using two filters, your location or district and then your job category. For example, if I select Noida and I click on job category drop down, there will be a lot of job category button. Just go through this. This is the same thing previously we have seen in English, now it is in Hindi. That's it. You can try selecting agriculture or hotel or food business, whatever falling into your category. And then once you select, for example I selected this category, and you can see here there is no job currently posted for this category, nurse. I had selected nurse, but when I select another option, say this category, you can see here sales category and business development, a lot of options come up. So Noida I selected, and I have selected sales representative job. For you can see here 5 jobs are found, mainly shops and sales related. So this way, for example, I am interested in this job. You click on the view a job button here, and you can see you are into the job description. It says what is the salary, how many openings are there, 10 openings are there, and it's a good salary, good job. And you can scroll down and see shift timings, how many days are working for this job, what is the address, what is the qualification needed, gender, everything is there, eligibility criteria is properly shown. You have 2 options here for this job. One is send WhatsApp, or you can even call. Okay, when you click on WhatsApp option, it will open up in WhatsApp, or if I click on call button, say the number will be displayed. For example, let me show you. I click on call, my phone dialer opened up with the number. So this is the number of the job provider. Okay, so this is the contact number, I would say. So this way you can get the numbers of any of the job we are by clicking the view job option. Now you have another option here, your application. When you click on your application, it will show you what are the jobs you had contacted for. You contacted a minute ago, you can see here. Okay, so that means this will show you what are the jobs you interested and you dialed them. So I had tried first option, that's why it says you contacted so and so job. And there is another profile button. If you click on the profile button, you can see all your profiles which you had filled already. You can even edit it by clicking. Okay, your experience, you can add your work experience, change your qualification, that are all possible. And there is another button jobs and another button log out. So if you log out, say next time I'll just show you what happens. Okay, because we are not having username password. So I go to same jobs.delhi.gov.in and I click on I want a job option. You can see here it will directly take you to the portal, and it is not asking you any of these details previously it had asked, like OTP and stuff. Okay, so it's very quick and very easy website to apply for the job. Thank you very much for watching my video. I would like to request you to give a like to this video if you liked. Also please subscribe to our channel, friends. Thank you very much for watching.